over 80% of older adults surveyed by ROSA in October 2021 responded that they either slightly agreed or strongly agreed that they're worried about what living with endemic COVID-19 would mean.
So it is very important then, as we move forward and learn to, how we transition to the endemic, that an important consideration is how do we then bring some normalcy back to our communities, particularly those who are older and who are homebound.
We should embrace, as part and parcel of our way of life, a series of job role changes as we pass through different ages. Instead of remaining static, we should think about how we can transition ourselves to blend with the flow of transformative changes in age and technological advances, instead of being subject to the mindset of susceptibilities. After all, age is just a number.
So rather than being a deterministic trajectory, human aging is a very complex, multi-level dynamic system. We need to look always, in order to understand human aging, at three different components. And these three levels interact with each other continuously across our lifespan. And depending on the environments that we expose ourselves or that we as societies create for the members of our society to live in, it will impact how we live.
Under pandemic conditions, what we rely on in terms of social engagement, right, which is the crux of her talk, that the more engaged we are, the more social activities we participate in, it keeps us cognitively agile. The science tells us that you have to be engaged, right? Otherwise, you're going to be on the negative end of that plasticity.
Employers must continue to allow opportunities for older workers to try out new processes, new workflow, new skills. Invest in them. It is certainly worthwhile investing in them because they can be the mentors for the younger ones. They can be the advisors for the younger ones.
Branded learning is making the optimum use of technology. What is suitable for online and what is suitable for in-person.
But above and beyond this, emotional support has a direct effect on resilience. So having that person that they can confide in, that you can talk to, contributes to respondents' sense of resilience.
But I think we also have to bear in mind that it's not like only people who are staying alone will have social isolation. Sometimes social isolation happens with older people who are living with their family. The family is with them, but everybody is busy and they could feel socially isolated without the family members being aware.
But I think there is a lot of emphasis need to put on family resilience. The family structure is very important in this COVID period. We hear about domestic violence, we talk about spousal violence, we talk about people working from home, working stress because of our circumstances at home. So I think more study need to be done, not only on individual resilience, but also on family resilience.
As you grow older, if you feel that you are needed and you feel that you are significant, right, in your community and those around you, you're going to be much better off in terms of positive plasticity.
As we begin to kind of move into the endemic phase, it's actually very important to use this time to help many of the seniors begin to embrace the tech platform, the virtual platform, and to help them build confidence so that in the event, and hopefully not when there's another form of crisis, we at least have an alternate mode of engagement to keep them connected.
If you can't wait till the pandemic or crisis happen, then we try to figure out how to do this, who are the seniors out there, who are the partners we can tap on. The relationship building, the understanding of the seniors in the vicinity, the engagement of them and the volunteers actually happens right now.
What's really necessary, with these things is the community leaders that galvanize others to actually make things happen. Because I think at the end of the day, what really kills is hopelessness and helplessness. And so what is so needed is really for leaders, community leaders, to come together to build these collaborations and actually start saying, let's be proactive, let's anticipate, and let's do things that are going to make that better future now.